Language and culture, interesting people and places, spending no money. These are the three things I look to do when I travel. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to spend some money today.
No! This is your wife! It's not a YouTube video. Oh, this guy.
Success.
Local bus. Take us to the metro. I'm from the metro. We take the metro to downtown.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Metro.
We're in a dollar right now, man. This is, everybody's here and we're not super crowded, but we're going to where we need to go. One of the best things about taking these dollars or their vans is that it's for both of us to go to the metro, which is like a 1 hour ride. It's $1 combined. So that's what this is. You got the pyramids right there, right near where we're staying. Taking it all in right now. I'm absorbing the sights, the sounds, and the smells. It's a lot different than where I come from. Ednin
Sadet.
Losamat. Ednin Sadet Losamat. Ednin Sadet Losamat. Ednin Sadet. Shukran. Success. I'm gonna get some shawarma. Egyptian shawarma. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's fantastic. This is the oldest spot in Cairo.
Yeah, this is one of the oldest spots here.
In all of Cairo. Most people don't know Cairo is the second biggest city in all of Africa. 20 million people.
20 million people. Just one single city.
We're cutting through the back alleys, baby. You gotta take some shortcuts every once in a while. That's not a metaphor, we're talking about actually going places. For my former students who are listening, take no shortcuts, do your homework.
What do you think?
It's nice, it seems very local. We have this huge building that is just for koshery. It's like 4 or 5 stories, and I thought it was like a shopping mall, but really it's just like a giant restaurant. And it's incredible. That's the most famous koshery in all of Egypt. The guy is so proud of it that he even puts his own face on the building.
It was just this small car on the street, and after that, he made this whole building.
This place is super cool.
Yeah, is that?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Upstairs, one more.
One more?
Yeah.
Hello, my friend. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right.
Yes, my friend, we're going here. Yes, my friend, we can see. You know koshery or the lesson for you, somebody or the you see in the internet?
I saw the internet.
See in the internet?
Yes.
But you know this place #1 for making the things is food from international all, you know?
Yes.
It's perfect. But now see they give you the food. After then will tell me how about the food.
We're about ready to eat koshery here in this 4-story building. And koshery is an Egyptian meal. I'm not really sure what it is. It's got like chickpeas and some chicken maybe.
Hello guys, see now what they make for my friend. Now him in Kashri Abo Tarek. My first time see this koshery, black lentils and pasta down here rice, tomato sauce and chickpeas and fried onion. Put half tomato sauce, put the garlic sauce. Wow, see sauce. Salt in Abu Tarek. Lemon for chickpeas. Mix together all.
Oh wow.
Wow. After I put the chickpeas, fried onion. Yum.
Oh my. It's got so much flavor, it's incredible. So good.
You can make it seem like this for me.
It's incredible. It's approved. Bros in Motion approved this restaurant.
Ah, poor me, I'm gonna do it my own.
So good. So it makes me want to, you know, drink some water and do all that. But it's also, you can taste the lemon through it. So it's like citrusy, but also spicy at the same time. Filled with flavor. The tomato sauce really draws it all together. I wouldn't anticipate having this many types of grains. Seems like it'd be too much on one plate. But with all the sauces and the spices and the fried onions, it's pretty damn good. This is really thick, so you have to work a lot harder to go and handle more stuff. But if you go, but it also breaks down faster. These two dudes should handle it.
This should handle. You sure?
This
is a question.
We need to go to an actual store.
Like a real bike store with someone with knowledge.
Yeah.
Ask you what you're gonna do, then this is the one for you, right?
Yeah, different day.
Different day. We're starting now. One of your languages, like French.
I'll teach you English.
Je suis Egyptien.
Oui.
That's it.